Welcome to Midland Honda. Let's take a look at our Hunter alignment system and how we keep your ride safe and efficient. When entering our service drive-thru, it's important that both your front and rear tires drive completely over our alignment machine, so no stopping till you've reached the end of the yellow lines. Our Hunter alignment machine uses laser and optical technology to take 16 measurements per axle, total toe on each axle, and individual camera on every wheel. Our system compares these measurements to OEM specifications that are retrieved from using automatic vehicle identification. The license plate is captured to retrieve the VIN number. It is run through a database to pull up pass and fail specifications specifically for your vehicle. These results are immediately displayed for you and our advisors to see. It will display a pass or fail grade for your alignment as well as individual tire tread depth. A printout is also attached to your work order for our technicians to evaluate. So come over to Midland Honda and we'll get you driving straight on the road again.